Everyone wants to live in Roseville, and for good reason. It's safe, beautiful, and full of style perks. But here's the truth, some neighborhoods are seriously overpriced right now. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3 most overpriced communities and revealing 2 hidden gems smart buyers are jumping on instead. And trust me, one of them is about to take off in 2026. If you're thinking about buying in the greater Roseville area, you'll want to stick around till the end. I'm Jayson Flory with Turn the Key Real Estate here in Roseville. I study market data every single week, from price per square foot, trends to months in inventory across just about every micro market in Placer County. And to be clear, Roseville isn't overvalued as a city, but certain neighborhoods, buyers are paying premium pricing for a dated product. Overpriced neighborhood number 1 is Stone Ridge. Looks great on paper, some newer builds, great schools, close to the Galleria, but here's the problem. Homes that sold for around $850 in 2021 are still listed for around $900 today, possibly because inventory has increased and buyer demand has cooled. Average days on market is about 43, and it's about 1.5 times to 2 times the city average. Unless it's a view lot or fully updated, you're paying for location hype and not upside. Next is Diamond Oaks, an amazing golf course community, but most homes are 80s or 90s builds with 6-figure updates being needed. Yet prices are still competing with new construction. Unless you're after big lots or classic charm, appreciation here has started to level off. And overpriced neighborhood number 3, we've got Fiddyment Farms. Now, Fiddyment Farms is great for families, but builders and resellers are still asking $330 to $360 per foot. Meanwhile, neighboring Vista offers better value for less. If you're paying top dollar for a cookie cutter layout next to power lines, you're likely buying into short-term equity stagnation. Now let's talk about where the smart money is moving. Sierra Vista gives you newer construction, lower Melrose, and modern floor plans, often $75,000 less than Fiddyment Farms. In the long-term plan, 10 plus parks, new schools, and walkable retail coming over the next few years. It's become the future of West Roseville. And the second hidden gem, Woodcreek Oaks. It's one of those areas locals forget about, but smart buyers love. Tree-lined, established, close to top-rated schools, and the golf course, but not priced like East Roseville. You're getting $270 to $300 per square foot on average, with larger yards and strong community vibes. This quiet ROI, most buyers just overlook. Before you start home shopping, let's add a little context. Rates are sitting in the low 6s. Inventory is right around 2.1 months across Roseville. Home appreciation this past year, around 3 to 4%. Stable, not spiking. We're not in a crash. We're in a correction of premiums. And that's why buyers who focus on long-term value, not hype, are winning right now. We'll never see those 2 or 3% again. So stop waiting for yesterday's market and start positioning yourself for tomorrow's opportunities. If you want to see which neighborhoods are still undervalued, I built a free guide called the Roseville Smart Buyer Map. It highlights the top 5 areas with room for appreciation and planned development through 2027. You can grab it right now by commenting "map" below. Real estate isn't about timing the market, it's about buying the right home in the right neighborhood. If this video helped you, hit subscribe, drop a like, and share it with someone who's been talking about moving to Roseville. I'm Jayson Flory with Turn the Key Real Estate, and I'll see you in the next video where we break down the top 5 neighborhoods to watch in 2026.